This is Jon Kohler. I serve on the mission field quite often with a team that does cataract and retina surgery in very remote parts of the world for the very poorest of the poor. Took the class at MEDiSURG on the Centurion. It proved extremely valuable last week to me as I was out of the country, out of the United States, and in a very remote place working with machines that had a couple of issues. And we were able to solve those problems and keep the machines working effectively. The result is that hundreds of people were able to receive cataract surgery in an environment where they would otherwise not be able to receive a phaco surgery like that. So MEDiSURG guys, thank you very much. Extremely helpful.